Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by protecting your data. Make a backup and work on the copy. Next, select the specific range or column you want to change so Replace won't touch everything. Once selected, press Ctrl+H to open the Replace dialog. Make sure to expand options and choose within Sheet or Workbook as needed. This controls scope. Also decide if you need match case or match entire cell contents. These first actions prevent accidental mass edits and set the stage for precise replacements. Once the basic dialog is open, refine what you replace. Use match case and match entire cell contents to avoid partial matches. This matters for acronyms or codes. If you need pattern-based changes, use wildcards. Asterisk matches any sequence, matches one character. For controlled transformations, create formulas. Substitute, cell, old, new for repeated changes, replace for positional edits. And in Excel 365, use rejects replace for pattern-driven swaps. Make sure to copy formulas as values when done to lock changes. To finish, test replace on a few cells first, then use replace all only when confident. Spot check results in different data sections. Once done, review changed cells and use undo immediately if you see mistakes. If large-scale issues occurred, restore your backup copy. If you need repeatable or conditional replacements, record or write a short VBA macro to automate safely. Troubleshooting tip: if replacements don't apply as expected, check cell formats and hidden characters. Use trim/clean or show formulas to reveal the discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.